Question from Sri Shail Lokhande now. He says that he was a salaried employee from the year 2011 to 2015. Now, from June 2015 to May 2017, he has been pursuing his MBA education. He will again, he says, start earning from June 2017. Now, he wants to know if he can get a home loan, or will he have to again wait for some duration to be eligible for a home loan? He's actually in a way upgraded himself, Kartik.
Yes,
will banks look at that favorably?
Technically they should, but practically they won't. At the moment they will not, because we are in January of 17. So if he's in a rush to buy a home right now, that may not be workable, because typically the bank will ask him for the last 3 to 6 months of salary slips, which obviously he doesn't have because he's been a student, he's educating himself. So obviously finish your education, wait for a little while, maybe 3 to 6 months time, depending on, the fact that you will also have money to pay the down payment for your house that you're going to buy. So once you do that, and once you have a history of salary slips of at least 3 to 6 months, or at least if you have an appointment letter, let's say if you are in extreme urgency to buy something, maybe sometimes the bank will look at appointment letter, and that too as a deviation. It's not normally a norm. They want you to have a couple of months of history to make sure that you are earning properly and that you will be able to repay the bank also well in time. So that's what is in store for you. You will have to wait a little longer.
Kartik, I want to interrupt you here.
Sure.
He says, he's very clear over here. He says he will again start earning from June 2017. Now, there are a lot of companies that allow, that give employees time off to go study, come back. And in the meanwhile, their job is intact. They may not be getting a salary during that time, but their job is intact. They are holding down a job. And once the course is over, like in Sri Shail's case, they start working immediately. So your salary in effect starts from the first month after you get your degree.
Indeed.
In such cases, how will a bank look at it?
So they will look at the terms of the contract that you have while you are on this sabbatical sort of a leave. They will look at the fact that you are going to be re-employed, you will start earning immediately. But the thing is, they will not give you a moratorium period. So which means they will not disburse a loan amount now and say we are willing to wait for 6 months time. It will be absolutely unusual and extraordinary if someone actually did that. I mean, it's not normally something that we hear. So there is a 6-month waiting period from now till the time he completes his course. So that moratorium will not be allowed in most cases, which means as soon as he starts working back, maybe at that time he'll be eligible to take a loan if the bank is happy, unless otherwise he'll have to wait for a little longer.
Right. So in the case that you are actually on a sabbatical from a job that you're holding down and you can join back and immediately start working, chances are you could be eligible for a home loan the day you start working, which is post-June. Obviously, till June 2017, till you finish your course, till you are a student and till you're not drawing a salary, you will not be eligible for a home loan.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.